Stand in the fabric with the right foot. Right arm up, grab the fabric. Turn left, press the left arm straight out, the left calf to the fabric. Wrap the left leg, fabric to the arch of the foot, straighten and sit in the fabric. Find your balance. Right hand to the fabric, fabric on the sacrum. Lean back, toe hook. Left hand down, right hand up. Climb up, use your core, and hook the right knee. Bring your body into a solid warrior 2. Left leg is straight, find the balance, and open the arms. Flying warrior! Lift up and straighten the right leg for high thigh wrap. Unwind the left leg, and slowly lower down, feet to the floor. Right knee bent, open the arms wide. Warrior 2, keep the legs supported. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe. Share it with your friends. When you're ready to exit, drop the left knee down. You can cartwheel the arms. Come into an Anjaneyasana. Then unwind the leg as you stand up, and you're free.